Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we will learn that how to use boundary cut in SOLIDWORKS. So let's get started. Guys, for the boundary cut we should have a solid geometry, okay? Which is I have already created, okay? So now we need to create profiles and curves for the boundary cut. So we'll create a first profile. Then we will create a second profile. That will be rectangle. Okay. Now we'll create a guide curves. The point should be PS with the sketch. Don't forget it. Then we will create a second curve. It should also PS with the sketch. Okay guys, now it's ready to boundary cut. So we will go in feature, then click on boundary cut feature. Here is the direction 1 and direction 2. In direction 1 we will select the profiles like this. You can adjust the point like this accordingly. So we will select the profiles. We will select the curves in this direction 2. You can see the preview. Then we will select the second curve. You can see the bind cut is done. Okay, so click on okay. Like this you can use the boundary cut feature. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and comment also if you have need something more. Okay, thank you.